we're going to
Hong Kong.
Hi! Doon na kami sa free shuttle ng Novotel. Buti pagpunta namin dito, dito na agad yung bus. Dito na kami sa Hong Kong. First meal ay sa Home's Delicacies. Hi! Gutom ka na? Super? How was it?
Good.
Good?
It's 10.
Nice.
Okay, let me try this one.
What's that?
Peanuts.
Peanuts?
This is peanuts.
Cashew.
Can you rate it?
Yes. Nakatulog na kami, gagala na kami. First gala namin dito sa Tung Chung area. Sobrang ganda nung hotel namin kasi nasa tapat lang namin yung outlets. Hi! Walking! Dito kami sa Citygate Outlet. Citygate Outlet. Hahanap kami ng street foods. Excited ka na mag-street foods? Pistachio pudding.
Pistachio pudding is just...
Tikman. Tikman ako na. Wag mo na hawakan. What's up?
Good.
Good. Parang di mo trip.
Sarap.
Tikman mo lang. Kasi siya yung mga ginagawa ng mga magulang natin dati. Ayun.
Sasunod pa ba? Para siyang jello.
Sarap. Is that your food?